Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. As you probably know, we got a lot of rain over the weekend on Saturday. We also got a lot, the weekend before. So just as a reminder to you, now is a really good time to go out and walk your property, walk around your house, and check for any areas where water is collecting, any standing water, any areas that could potentially become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. I've said it in the past. Mosquitoes only need a few inches of water to lay their eggs in and for those eggs to hatch and become mosquitoes that will pester you. So get out there and check for all of those areas. Your gutters, that's a real big one. Get your ladder out if you've got gutters. Check your gutters. Make sure you don't have any standing water. If you do, you've got some blockage somewhere that you've got to deal with because that will become an area where mosquitoes will lay their eggs. Playgrounds, potted plants, the trays under your potted plants, all of those areas are areas of concern. Tires, if you've got tires in your lawn, probably should get rid of those. Or a tire swing, that's an area where water will collect. Chimeneas and fire pits. Walked out in my back patio here. This chimenea has got 3 inches of water sitting in it from the rain we had over the weekend. So that's a perfect area for mosquitoes to lay their eggs. So I've got to remember to dump that out every time it rains, or else I'm going to have a mosquito issue. So just a great time to do that. Mosquitoes aren't really a problem yet. They will be very soon. So after this rain, it'll kind of show us what we need to do, what we need to address in our properties, so that we don't have to deal with as many mosquitoes as we normally would. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.